Hey, how you doing? My name is Chris. Welcome to my shop. I have another super simple project for you to make today for an underprivileged child in your area for the upcoming holiday season. This one is targeted primarily at preschoolers, and it's rather puzzling. It's a bad pun. I'm sorry. I need to stop doing that. So there you go. Just a simple puzzle for preschoolers. Told you it was going to be easy. Matter of fact, the hardest thing about this project was waiting for the paint to dry. So, you know, I did geometric shapes Some of you scroll sawers out there might have some fun with this. I mean, you could do a scroll saw picture of maybe a cartoon character, Mickey Mouse or something. Make it simple for the kids and knock this thing out. Anyway, it's a fun little project to do. So hope you dug that. I tell you what, until next week, you guys take care. Have a good one.